Hi guys, this is my EDC update for February 2017. I got my Glock 33 in the ALS holster. Got my CRKT neck knife, minimalist. Got a big lighter and a fire starter. Learned how to make those watching Chance Sanders. He has some good videos on his channel up here on YouTube. Yeah, I got a paracord bracelet there with some of that Titan paracord in it. I got a hyper tough flashlight I picked up from Walmart for like 15 bucks. It's 250 lumens. I got a CRKT big dog flipper Tanto and my Gerber suspension multi-tool. Yeah guys, so this is pretty much my setup for around the house. I'm testing a few of the new items like the Gerber suspension and the CRKT Tanto flipper. So also the Hyper Tough flashlight. So we'll see how it goes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.